already on patrolling actually, because it is election time, so I was already out in the district when I get a call from the control room that there is some problem with the inmates here in the jail. I thought that I should come to the situation and I should see what is actually happening here, because as it is I was there in the district.
Madam,
So we could hear a lot of sound and yelling inside and breaking of tubelights sometime. Can you highlight what?
There was a
exactly went
fight
on?
amongst the inmates. Actually, they are in the process of shifting the inmates to a different jail now. This jail is about to close. Now, there was one particular inmate who happens to be a murder convict, and he had committed a murder in Kolwale some time back. So he was supposed to be, he was actually an accused in a Maharashtra related case. So he had to be shifted out. But the jail in Maharashtra refused to take him. Now they couldn't have taken him to Kolwale again because he had committed a crime there. So he was brought here today itself. It seems that apparently it was because of him that the whole problem was created inside.
What is the situation now, ma'am?
Situation is fully under control. They have been taken, they have been overpowered, and it is totally under control now.
What is the condition of the jailer who is being attacked and
Pardon?
one person is attacked over here.
He's
admitted.
okay. He's being taken care of in the hospital. He is okay.
इनमेट विनायक कारबोटकाराक महाराष्ट्र जेलीन शिफ्ट करता म्हूण खंय बोवाळ आनी ज्या इनमेटाक लागून इतलो बोवाळ जाल्लो त्या गँगस्टर विनायक कारबोटकाराक बुधवारा फांतोडेर मेलो म्हूण डिक्लेअर केला. अशफाक बेंगरेचे खुनाचे केशींतलो तो मुखेल आरोपी. ताची बॉडी जीएमसीन पोस्टमॉर्टमाक धाडल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर दिशांत परब.